Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Kat and I am super stoked that you guys clicked this video and decided to stop on by. For today's video, I have a fridge clean out. Chris, my husband, just got back from grocery shopping, so I had to clean and organize this fridge. Last week, we were on holidays and we ate out quite a bit, so it's sad to say and sad to admit that there is quite a bit of stuff in this fridge that was expired or no good. The cleaning products, let's get to them. The cleaning products that I will be using in this video is a cheap old Dollar Tree glass cleaner, which works fantastic on these glass shelves, and also my Clorox bleach spray. I am also using a wet damp cloth to kind of wipe as I go as well. If this is your first time stopping by, or if you haven't done so already, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.